guys, happy Friday. Welcome back to another episode of Ichimi. So since we have changed the format of Ichimi, so today we will be focusing on deals. We have a tablet from Huawei which you can get for less than 500 ringgit, and also if you're planning to purchase the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series, you can get extra protection for free. Also, the Black Shark 3S is coming to Malaysia very soon, and on the first day sale you can get a bunch of goodies. If you're interested, keep watching. Samsung Malaysia has revealed additional freebies if you purchase the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 as well as the Note 20 Ultra. If you buy the Note 20 device from the Samsung Experience stores, you'll receive a Protection Plus add-on worth up to 387 ringgit for free. With this add-on, you'll get 1 year extended protection and one-time screen time protection for your phone. But unfortunately, it is only available for the first 2,000 customers that purchase from the 25th of August until the 31st of October 2020. Oh, and before I forget, Samsung Malaysia is still offering the UV sterilizer and also the wireless charger for free while stocks last. And if you have an older phone, you can also trade in as well, so you don't have to pay that much, and it depends on which device you are going to trade. On top of that, they are also offering a 0% installment plan with a 12-month duration. You can save up to 433 ringgit and 25 cents off the retail price with a 1-month waiver promo. If you want to learn more, you can check out the link down in the description box below, so check them out. Looking for an affordable tablet? Well, Huawei is releasing a brand new MatePad which is 1,000 ringgit cheaper than the Pro variant. Yes, it is called the MatePad. Not the MatePad Pro, just the MatePad. This device comes with a 10.4-inch Full HD Plus display, a 7nm Kirin 810 processor with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. But if you're used to Google mobile services, well, unfortunately this device only supports Huawei mobile services, so that means you won't get YouTube or Gmail when you use this device. It is officially priced at 1,399 ringgit and it will be available throughout Malaysia from the 9th of September 2020. Huawei Malaysia is also bundling a free keyboard and freebies worth up to 500 ringgit. This includes Huawei Video, Huawei Book, Huawei Member Center rewards and 15GB of Huawei Cloud storage. This device will be available on the official Huawei store. And interestingly, the MatePad is already listed on Lazada, but it only comes with a free flip cover. But if the previous MatePad is too pricey, there's also another tablet from Huawei which you can get for less than 500 ringgit. It is called the MediaPad T10 and it comes with a 9.7-inch display, a Kirin 710A processor with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. It is officially priced at 799 ringgit and it is only available in one single color option, which is Deep Sea Blue. But what about the 500 ringgit tablet that I mentioned earlier? On 9/9, this tablet will be going on sale for 1 day only and you can get it for 499 ringgit. And similar to the MatePad that I've mentioned earlier, it only comes with Huawei mobile services. Personally, I've never tried this tablet before, but I think it is still a good steal considering its price. Maxis has finally upgraded their Hotlink postpaid plans and this time it comes with 2 times more data. Several postpaid users have received an SMS regarding this upgrade the day before yesterday. With the new revision, the base postpaid 30 plan at 30 ringgit per month now comes with a total of 2GB of data, which consists of 1GB of high-speed data and 1GB of YouTube data. Meanwhile, the postpaid 40 at 40 ringgit per month is now upgraded with 8GB of high-speed data and 8GB of YouTube data. The highest postpaid 60 plan at 60 ringgit per month now gets 15GB of high-speed data and 15GB of YouTube data. And as usual, you can also get unlimited calls and SMS to all networks for all 3 options. Last but not least, we have some news regarding the brand new Black Shark 3S because it will be coming to Malaysia very soon. It is a gaming smartphone that comes with an upgraded 120Hz screen and it also comes with a UFS 3.1 storage. It also comes with a Snapdragon 865 processor. The first day sale will be happening on the 8th of September 2020 and you can expect to receive a bunch of goodies when you purchase the device. The base model Black Shark 3S that comes with 12GB of RAM and 128GB of storage is going for 3,199 ringgit, while the high-spec variant that comes with 256GB of storage is priced at 3,499 ringgit. The first 50 buyers will get a Black Shark carry case, a Black Shark fun cooler, 1 year screen protection, a mystery Black Shark merchandise and 100 ringgit voucher. The subsequent 50 customers will get a Black Shark Gamepad 2.0 Left plus Gamepad 3.0 holder, a Black Shark fun cooler, 1 year screen protection, a mystery Black Shark merchandise and 100 ringgit voucher. So thank you guys so much for watching. Do you like the new format? Do let me know. If you don't, tell me why down in the comment section below. Remember to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you can stay updated to our future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye and happy weekends.